girls, welcome back to my channel. Guess who's back? Pa, 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 pa. Hello, hi guys. Yo, but I have a valid reason, guys. Like, I have a valid reason. You know, whenever I disappear out of the face of the earth and I'm just nowhere to be found, just know that school has me like this. In Peteganji. So I'm back. Well, I can't say I'm really back because I decided to take a mini weekend away just before I start with my exams. Ne? So I'm taking off some time off to myself to come and relax for this weekend so that when I go back, mentally ready to kickstart with exams. So I decided, let me make it up to my royals with a traveling vlog. Ne? Yeah, so I'm in Knysna in the Western Cape at this other beautiful hotel. Chill. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you after this. It's called Pezula Nature Hotel and Spa. It's proper, top notch. Yeah, it's a very beautiful place. When I'm bored, what I do whenever I'm bored is one of my hobbies actually. I plan trips. And don't think I plan trips to just in the Free State or in South Africa. I plan a trip abroad also, just for fun. I plan like trips that I'm not even gonna go to. So this was one of the trips that I planned. I think, if not last year, it was the year before last year. So it's finally coming true, and I finally came to this beautiful place that I've loved for so long. Yeah. So this is me opening up this 2-3 days vlog. Yeah, I'm not gonna do much. I'm not gonna be doing much. I'll be chilling, resting. Like I said, I'm taking some time off so that mentally, physically, and ready for exams. So I'm just here to share the experience and the place, the views with you guys. Yeah, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. I love you. Bye. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Sambanani Royals, goeiemorgen, dumelang. I hope that you guys are good. I hope that you guys slept well and rested very well. Thank you for being a good 10 hours for that matter. So yeah, I'm well rested and I'm feeling lively today, and the sun is out. Yo, I don't know for how long I get a weather at Western Cape. One thing about Western Cape weather, whether you're in Cape Town, whether you're in Knysna, whether you are in Muscle Bay, as long as you're in the Western Cape, child, the weather will change 3,000 times. But hey, le blom se re tsa like Leona se join the Hanaking. Yeah, y'all change 10,000. But anyway, I'm feeling good, and I'm just opening day 2 of this restcation. Yeah. And come along, tag along. I'm about to go for breakfast now, and then if the sun will still be up and out and happy, we'll go to the beach. See you later. kings and queens. How you guys doing this morning? Good morning, Absheni, Dumelang, Goeiemorgen, everybody. How you guys doing this morning? Hope that you all are well rested. And yeah, it's a little day sad because the trip has came to an end. You know, company how so peaceful, where you got to rest. Sure, you feel like you could stay here for like a month or so. Because wow. Anyway, it's a bit windy. Well, although the sun is out, which is luckily it did not rain. I was so worried because I had to check our weather. When we arrived here, it seemed as if it was going to rain, and also the weather did mention that it will rain. Yeah, it was saying that it was going to rain someday. But I'm glad it didn't rain, and I'm a bit sad that I had to leave. But okay, I'm about to go for breakfast now. I'm going to eat breakfast, and from there I will be walking around this estate to show you, or this hotel, to show you some of the things that I didn't get to do, like go to that golf club there to capture for you guys, and just go around to capture some of the amazing places about this place. Yeah, so that you get to see and experience it fully. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog, and let me close it properly in case I don't get to close it later. Yeah, let me close it. Thank you for everybody who watched this vlog. Thank you, and thank you too for subscribing also to my channel. New subscribers, welcome. And if you came here or landed by this video by mistake, well, it can't be a mistake. I mean, something must have caught your attention, you know? Yeah, so if you landed on this video and haven't subscribed, please do the right thing. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell and become a royal also. So yeah, guys, there'll be a few hours left before we check out. I think we'll have lunch here before we leave. Yeah, if it happens that we go for lunch, I'll do my makeup, of course, and look proper, have lunch, check out, and then head back home. Yeah, that's about that. That's a wrap. I love you guys. Bye. Hi Royals. I'm not closing this video because I'd already closed it. I'm just here to brag about my beat and say bye Knysna. You've been great. You've been nice. Bye guys.